If this is the first time you're setting up printing from your Mac OS, you will need to follow these steps. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and that you're connected to the GBC network. Now, navigate to the System Preferences menu. Then open Printers and Scanners. Now click on the plus icon under the printer list. Select Library BW Printing or Library Color Printing. Check that User is set to Secure AirPrint. If not, disconnect from the Wi-Fi and then reconnect to the GBC Wi-Fi. Click Add and repeat this process so that you have both Library BW Printing and Library Color Printing added to your printer list. Now, you are ready to print. Open the material you would like to print. Follow the normal print method you would print from that application. The last printer you installed is set to default. If you would like to print from a different printer, double-click on the printer drop-down arrow and select Library BW Printing or Library Color Printing from the list. Once you've clicked Print at the bottom, you can pick up your prints from any Library Learning Commons printer.